जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा
कुंज
जय गोपीजन वल्लभा जय गिरिवरधारी जय गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजन जय जय गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा जय यशोदनंजना जय ब्रजजन रंजना जय ब्रजजन रंजना जय यशोदनंजना जय यशोदनंजना जय ब्रजजन रंजना जय ब्रजजन रंजना जय जमुना तीरावन चारी जय कुंज बिहारी जय जमुना तीरावन जय जमुना तीरावन चारी जय कुंज बिहारी जय जमुना तीरावन जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी जय राधा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा जय गौरानिताय 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 जय गौरानिताय जय प्रभुपादा 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 जय प्रभुपादा जय श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा माई की गौरनिताय नित्यानंद भगवान की श्री गुरु परंपरा की श्रीमद् भागवतम की गौर प्रेमानंदी। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय
மூன்றாவது பாடம் அத்தியாயம் 25 பதம் 26 भक्त्या पुमान् जात विराग ऐन्द्रिया दृष्टप्रसानुचिन्तया चित्तस्य यस्तो ग्रहणे योगयुक्तो यदिष्यते ऋषिभिर्योगमार्गे भक्त्या पुमान् जात विराग ऐन्द्रिया दृष्टश्रुतान्मत्प्रसानुचिन्तया चित्तस्य यस्तो ग्रहेण योगयुक्तो यदिष्यते ऋषिभिर्योगमार्गे भक्त्या पुमान् जात विराग ऐन्द्रिया दृष्टश्रुतान्मत्प्रसानुचिन्तया चित्तस्य यतो ग्रहणे योगयुक्तो यदिष्यते ऋषिभिर्योगमार्गे மொழிபெயர்ப்பு மற்றும் பொருள் வழங்குகிறது ராசபக்தி வேதாந்த சுவாமி ஸ்லோகி ஜெய். இவ்வாறு பக்தர்களின் தொடர்பில் பக்தி தொண்டில் உணர்வுடன் ஈடுபட்டுள்ள ஒருவர் இந்த உலகம் மறு உலகம் இரண்டிலும் பகவானின் செயல்களை நினைப்பதன் மூலம் புலன் நுகர்வில் வெளிப்படுகிறார். கிருஷ்ண உணர்வு முறையே எளிய யோக முறையாகும். ஒருவர் உண்மையில் பக்தி தொண்டின் அந்த பாதையில் அமைந்தால் அவரால் மனதை கட்டுப்படுத்த முடியும். ஒருவரை எல்லா புனித நூல்களிலும் மக்கள் நல்லொழுக்கம் அதாவது சமயம் சார்ந்த வழியில் செயல்பட ஊக்குவிக்கப்படுகிறார்கள். அதனால் அவர்கள் இந்த வாழ்வில் மட்டும் அல்லாமல் மறு வாழ்விலும் புலன் திருப்தியை அனுபவிக்க முடியும். சான்றாக பக்தியுடன் பலன் தரும் செயல்களால் ஒருவர் மேலுலக கோள்களில் சொர்க்க ராஜ்யத்திற்கு உயர்வு பெற உறுதியளிக்கப்படுகின்றது. ஆனால் ஒரு பக்தர்களின் தொடர்பில் பகவானின் செயல்களை பற்றி ஆழ்ந்து நினைக்கவே முன்னுரிமை தருகிறார். அவர் எவ்வாறு இந்த அண்டத்தை படைத்தார், அவர் அதை எவ்வாறு காக்கிறார், படைப்பு எவ்வாறு அழிகிறது மற்றும் ஆன்மீக ராஜ்யத்தில் படைப்பு லீலைகள் எவ்வாறு இருக்கின்றன போன்ற பகவானின் செயல்களை பற்றி ஆழ்ந்து நினைக்கவே விரும்புகிறார். பகவானின் செயல்களை வர்ணிக்கும் முழு இலக்கியங்கள் சிறப்பாக பகவத்கீதை, பிரம்மசங்கீதை, ஸ்ரீமத் பாகவதம் முதலியவை உள்ளன. உண்மையான பக்தருடன் தொடர்பு கொள்பவர் பகவானின் லீலைகளை பற்றிய பொருட்களை கேட்கவும் ஆழ்ந்து நினைக்கவும் வாய்ப்பு பெறுகிறார். முடிவு என்னவென்றால், இந்த உலகில் அல்லது மறு உலகில், சொர்க்கத்தில் அல்லது பிற கோள்களில் இன்பம் என்று அழைக்கப்படுவதன் மேல் அவர் வெறுப்பை உணர்கிறார். பக்தர்கள் பகவானின் தொடர்பிற்கு மாற்றப்படவே ஆர்வம் உள்ளவராக உள்ளனர். அவர்களுக்கு தற்காலிகமான பெயரளவு இன்பத்தில் கவர்ச்சி இல்லை. அதுவே யோக யுக்தரின் நிலையாகும். யோக சக்தியில் நிலையானவர் இந்த உலகம் அல்லது மறு உலகத்தின் மகிழ்ச்சியால் கொல்லப்படுவதில்லை. அவர் ஆன்மீகத்தை அறிதல் அல்லது ஆன்மீக சூழ்நிலை ஆகியவற்றில் ஆர்வம் உள்ளவர். இந்த மேன்மையான நிலை பக்தி யோகமாகிய மிக எளிய முறையால் மிக எளிதாக அடையப்படுகின்றது. ருஜுபி யோக மார்க்கை மிகவும் பொருத்தமான சொல்லாகிய ருஜுபி அல்லது மிகவும் எளிமையான என்பது இங்கு பயன்படுத்தப்பட்டுள்ளது. யோக மார்க்கம் யோக முழுமை அடைதலில் பல்வேறு முறைகள் உள்ளன. ஆனால் இந்த முறை பகவானுக்கு பக்தி தொண்டு புரிதல் மிக எளிமையானது. இது மிகவும் எளிய முறை மட்டுமல்ல, இதன் முடிவு மிக மேன்மையானது ஆகும். அதனால் எல்லோரும் கிருஷ்ண உணர்வை மேற்கொள்ள முயற்சி செய்து வாழ்வின் உயர்ந்த முழுமையை அடைதல் வேண்டும்.
जय ओम अज्ञानतिमिरञ्जस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं पद्मं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकं। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती जयपताकस्मृति नामिने। नमो आचार्यपदाय कृपापदायिने गौरकथाधामोदर गौरकरामतारिणे। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्तिवेदान्त समिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी विशेषशून्यवादी पश्चातरिषाचारिणी। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्तिवेदान्त समिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेषशून्यवादी पश्चातरिषाचारिणी। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदनाय कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नमो। Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna. Jai Shri Prabhupada ki jai. In the Prabhupada purport mentioning heavenly planet, in heavenly planet, and also mention Sadhu Sangha. Also mentioning devotional service, Prabhupada mentioning. So now, people want to go to heavenly planet because of pious activity they are doing it. Due to pious activity, they can go to heavenly planet. Pious activity or impious activity, both are activity. Generally, people are doing so many charity to giving to dhanam, to poor people, which is they can get more pious activity. And people are giving charity, people are giving money, people are giving property, people are giving house, people are giving vastra, dress, so many things they are giving. Due to that, they are getting more Purna Karma. That Purna Karma lead you to go to heavenly planet. Not allowed to go to Vaikuntha Loka. Then, heavenly planet, as Bhagavad Gita mentions, Jantri Deva Devanam Priti Janti Priti Bhota Bhute Janti Ja Bhute Jam. Question is this: if anyone worshipping father or ancestor, whatever, they'll go to Priti Loka, also heavenly planet, that is. So as long as you are doing it, pious activity, you can go and stay there. When pious activity get over, you will come back to the material world. Just like one example given, in material people, they working so hard throughout years. They working so hard, get little money, which they will save. Then that money they'll utilize, go for jatra. Sometimes they'll go to Mayapur, sometimes they'll go to Vrindavan, sometimes they'll go to Delhi, or some people have more money, they'll go to a foreign country. They'll go jatra. Why? Because so much work they did, whatever money collected, that money going to spend in the jatra places. Enjoyment. And when money get over, then they'll come back again. Punar Murshika Bhava. Again come back, again do the same thing. So this is called fruitive activity, which is doing and taking the result, going back to heavenly planet, enjoy nicely. Heavenly planet atmosphere better than this planet. So they want to enjoy. materially. And where is the heavenly planet? Inside this, our planet. In this Bhuloka. So, just like another example given, even though you go stay there, heavenly planet, and staying here, not much difference. Because you staying there and staying here, inside this material world. You cannot get out from this material world. Because material world lead you to be punishments. You cannot escape from the punishments. As long as you are in material world, you should know that you will not be liberated. How much you do punya, karma, pious activity, whatever it, dhanam, you did it, not lead you to go back to Vaikuntha Loka. There is no chance. Pious activity, by due to that you are reaching heavenly planet. Heavenly planet, atmosphere very good. Just like another example I can give, in a jail. Jail, Koiri they are living and police also living. Criminals. They are also living in the jail and police also living in the jail. So what is the difference between police and criminals? Or Koiri, you can say. What is the difference? There is no difference. Both are living in the same building, same apartment. So what is it? Now these people are being inside the room, they cannot see anything. Police, they are moving outside, they can see everything. This is the difference. Otherwise, everything is same. Because they are moving the same building, same area. So these people are inside, these people are outside. That is the difference. Otherwise, there is no difference. So whatever pious activity you did it, you will be in the same place only. Swargaloka or Bhuloka, both are in material world. Nothing is out of the material world. Whether living there or living here, nothing different much. So whatever pious activity you are doing it, is lead you to the same material world. There is no question of you have separate idea or separate planet for you, nothing like that. All this hard work which is did it, waste of time. So that's why in Bhagavatam, Prabhupada mentioned translations, just take association with the devotees. Devotees associations lead you to go back to Vaikuntha Loka. Person who take an association with the devotees, will never think go back to heavenly planet. Person who take an association with the devotees, he'll think the material world as a dustbins. Never think that he'll go there again. Because this material world meant for punishment. Dukkhalaya asashchatam. So there is no question of that happiness available in this material world. So therefore, taking association with the devotees, go back to Vaikuntha Loka. How is that taking association with devotees? Just like another example can given, person having disease, what will do? He go to the doctor. A doctor is seeing the disease, he will take the knife and cut the stomach. Because the disease condition like that. So he cut the stomach. What is the problem? He cut and throw and then stitch the stomach and give it to him, back to his house. So in cutting that time he'll feel more painful. Persons getting more pain. But after operations, when he got cure, he will feel very happy, very good. So devotees are like that. Person goes to the devotees which is he is having so much material desire, which is cannot give up, is suffering from that. Due to that, when gone to the devotees, and devotee cutting down all the material desire, like a doctor cutting the stomach and removing the which is problem is having. Same way, devotee also removing their problem, which is they have more attachments. Attachment their family, attachment their wealth, attachment their friends, relative, citizens, etc. So much attachment they are having. They don't want to give it up. And so much their opulence they are having that doesn't want to give it to Krishna. Unnecessary making hard work, making money. So that attachment Vaishnava will cut down. Just surrender to Krishna. Get up early in the morning, attend Mangalarti. Of course, before that you should take bath and come, attend Mangalarti. Then attend Darshanarti, Guru Puja, chant your rounds, Brahma Murta time. That is fine difficult. Who will get up Baba 3:30? Very painful. One person told me long back, how Swamiji are getting up 3:30? That is a good time for sleeping. They told me. That is meant to good sleep and you are getting up that time. So for them it is very painful. But for the devotees, very easy for that. Very easy. So devotee, those are not devotee, will cut down all this problem. And when the persons trying to follow what Vaishnava told, then he will become a good person. Then no problem for him. Then no anxiety also. One time I remember, I went collections near powerhouse. One person came. He's a drunk also. Swamiji, I want to become a devotee. I want to surrender everything. Why you want to become a devotee? No, wife giving problem to me. Wife giving problem, so I don't want to be with wife. I want to come and become a devotee like you. Then when I told, it is possible for you to get up early in the morning, 3 o'clock. Then he said, that is not possible. I said, then that is not possible for you to be here. You be with your wife. Just because of problem with the wife, he doesn't want to be there. You want to become devotees. So that is the things. They cannot, not able to get up early in the morning. That's why it is mentioned, Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastra Kaya, Lava Matra Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Siddhi Hai. Just by association with the devotees, he can be enlightened or he can go back to Vaikuntha Loka. Just follow path of the devotees, how they are engaging service of the Lord. Person want to engage, do something for the Lord, and somebody not allow him to engage service of the Lord, that means you should know that he is a demon or Ravana or Kamsa, not allowing to serving the Lord. A person who engaging the living entity, service for the Lord, you should know that He is your best friend. Serving the Lord means heart will become purified. Heart will be purified. Or serving the Lord, you should know that all anartha is going from the heart, which is collecting from so many janmas that accumulated in our heart for so much, not clean for so many janmas not clean. Now today somehow or other we came to the society or taken shelter of Srila Prabhupada or Guru Maharaj. Due to that we came to know, now we should do that. How much you are engaged service of Guru and Krishna, that much heart will be clean. By simply chanting Hare Krishna mantra is not enough for you to go back to Krishna. Because many times you are chanting, sometimes mistake come in the pronunciation also. And sometimes chanting also we are sitting, we are sleeping sometime. So then how you can perform your activity by chanting and go back to Krishna? Because chanting, when you are doing it, that time Mayadevi not allow you to do that. Mayadevi want to stop. You should not chant properly. That's why you are feeling sleepy. When you are doing something devotional service, that time your mind will be somewhere else. Because Mayadevi knows how to control your mind. Take away your mind from the Krishna's service which you are doing it, then you will do lot of mistake in that. Then it will come as a Sheva Aprad. And Sheva Aprad lead you not to go back to Krishna. So when Mahadevi coming and stopping your devotional service, you should chant more and more, think more. That way Mahadevi will not come to you. Since you are practicing devotional service to go back to Krishna, Mahadevi always disturbing you. Not do thing which you want to do it properly. This is Mahadevi's job. Because she knows how to control your mind. Just like mother knows how to control the baby. When baby crying, other person come and take the baby, is not able to control the baby. But a mother knows how to control the baby. So same way, Mayadevi, Durga, she knows how to control our mind. Then that condition shall stop our devotional service, which is will not be progress in Krishna consciousness way. In that, so much difficult you will face the problem. You can take an example like a Panchapandav. Even though Yudhishthira Maharaj is a good king, but how much torture he got, how much problem he got. Simply Duryodhana giving so much problem just for kingdom. And Panchapandav, even though they are devotee of Krishna, Krishna with them also, but still they are living in the forest. Why? Same thing mentioned in Bhagavatam also. In Krishna told to one Brahmana, when Shiva gave boons to Vatrasura, that time Krishna told, these people are giving boons to anybody and everybody, but I will never give boons just like that. I will never give. If anybody want to serve me, anybody want to come back to me, whatever he is having, I will just take away everything. Even their name, frames, glories, everything I will take away. In spite of that, if he remember me, he is serving me, chanting my name, then I'll give back everything to him. That is what Krishna is saying. So, Krishna testing us. He will take everything, but same time he giving back to you. How much determined we are having to for him. Same way, when Yudhishthira Maharaj, Pancha Pandav, 5 people, even though Krishna with them, but still they have to live in the forest. And Duryodhana, Krishna not with them, but he living in the kingdom. But later, Krishna gave back everything to them. Because they not forgot Krishna. They not forgot. And after that, when Yudhishthira Maharaj asked questions to Krishna, Krishna did not give any answer. This answer, Krishna took to Yudhishthira Maharaj to Bhishma. Bhishma took and Bhima gave answer for this. How you suffer all these things? Why it is happened to you? He gave the answer. So you must understand. Jai Jagannath Bala Shodramaya ki, Gaunitan Shuddha Bhagavan ki. So every steps there is a dangerous for all life. You have to carefully, sincerely serve Krishna. Don't do whimsically, attentively do. Even though Maya controlling your mind, take away somewhere else, continue your devotional service. Don't stop. Then that way, heart will be clean. By simply chanting cannot be go back to Krishna. That is not enough. Just like I can give example. If I give you rice to eat, can you able to eat rice only? You are not able to eat rice along. Along with rice, you need poriyal, sambar, and other varieties of vegetables, etc. required, or curds or buttermilk, whatever. Need side dishes. Then you can eat able to rice. Otherwise, simply rice, you are not able to eat. Find difficulty. Same way, simply chanting is not enough. Service also required. By chanting Krishna's name, Atma will get purified, get more strength, energetic. And doing devotional service, all anartha will go away. Then soul will be able to fit to go back to Vaikuntha Lokha. So therefore, each and every time you have to take association with the devotees. Unless you are not taking association with the devotees, then due course of time, you will be somewhere else. You will not be in the same Krishna consciousness way. Which is you want to do it. Just like another example I can give in one person's. He went on company, wood company. Wood company, the MD, he gave a knife and told him, go to the forest. I want 15 tree, you have to bring it and give it to me. 15 tree. He is so powerful person, nice good health, good body. Went the forest. He chopped 50 tree, brought back and gave it to the MD. My dear master, I bought the 50 tree, please take it. So MD became happy. Next day, again that person came. MD gave the same knife, he gave it to him. Go bring 50 tree again. But he went to the forest, he bought 13 tree. Then reduced 2 piece. Then again, next day also he came, again gave the same knife, told bring 15 tree, I am asking 15 tree, you have to give me 15 tree. Then next day about 10. Like that, each day is moving, each day reducing. Why is reducing? Because knife is not sharpness there. That's why it is reducing. When you give the sharpness, then you can cut so many trees. So since we are in the beginning, joining enthusiastic, we are serving more Guru and Krishna. And after that, not taking any association with devotees, so mind is slowly getting dull, reducing our power. As knife power reducing, like that our power will be reduced. When you are taking association with devotees, then power will be increased. Taking association with devotees means battery full charge. Battery full charge means you can use for long time. When battery get discharged, cannot use anymore. So always need to be association with the devotees. Unless not taken association with the devotees, there is no hope for you to be a happy life. So whatever condition it is, you have to be serve the Supreme Lord. What condition you are having, that doesn't matter. Whether you are Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, whatever conditions, ultimately you have to serve Krishna. As a Arjuna, as a Kshatriya, according his capacity, he was serving. And Vaishya's capacity, as you see, our devotee, many people, Vaishnava culture, they came and they joined society, they also serving Guru and Krishna. So like that, whatever caste you are having, you can serve Krishna, Guru and Krishna. That way life will be peaceful or happy life and go back to Krishna. Because this material world meant for punishment, you are suffering so much birth after birth. Dukkhalaya asashyatam. But still you are not realizing that we are suffering for this. When coming to Krishna consciousness, then will come to know that you how much material you are suffering. How much material you are suffering. But you may say that, oh, Swamiji, I am doing a lot of seva, early morning doing puja, this thing, that thing. I am in the same condition, nothing in improving, nothing is happening. No, you may not be understands. But inside it is going on your work, your bank balance. The day by day you are doing it, devotional service, your bhakti is preserving. You may not be know, but it is preserving. You may forget, but Krishna will never be forget. That's why Krishna told to Arjuna, so many janmas you forgot, but I not forgot you. I know what you did it, past, present, future, everything I know for you. So we may forget, but Krishna will never forget. He always will remember. So therefore, whatever condition you are having, you should not give up to serving Krishna. Continue to do that. That way, you are able to go back to Krishna. The persons who are serving Krishna don't think he's ordinary persons. Since serving Krishna means you must understand that you are reaching Vaikuntha Loka. Though the deity is present here, the deity is not different from Krishna himself. Sakshat Brajendra Nandana, he is Sakshat Brajendra Nandana because he taking our service from us. He is Brother Nandan. Otherwise, how can be? In Chaitanya Charitamrita mentions, in Vrindavan, Gopal deity was there. Just by walking, he went to Puri behind the Brahmana. Deity can do many things. He is a person, but we are seeing he is not moving, he not understands, not hearing, standing like a doll, but he is not a doll. Archa Vigraha. Archa Vigraha, if anyone doing seva for him, then he'll give all mercy to him. Whatever condition we are having, you should not think, no, this is all waste of my life. Why I should do this service to here? Why I should be in ISKCON? Why I should go to ISKCON? Doing the same service they are giving, all outside people are doing it. What benefit I'll get? Even they are doing this one, if I go in the house and do one company, this type of job, I'll get so much money, no problem for me, good life will be there. So that way mind will give so many solutions to you, which is not to be under Guru and Krishna. All sort of thought will come to you. And then finally, one day, if you listen to Mahadevi, you will be in the Samaras, not in the society. But the temple, gate is open for everybody. Anybody can come, anybody can go. But being in the temple, continue devotional service, that is more painful. That is more painful. So, mind will give all sort of things. If I be in home, I'll get so much money I'll get, so much wealth I'll have, so many things will happen to me. But here I'm doing what I'm getting. What is the benefit for me? So they'll think. Finally, they'll go somewhere else. But if person continue doing devotional service, but how he getting, how not getting, that nobody knows. It is up to Krishna's choice, whether you get or don't get, whether you have or don't have, it will automatically come to you. You don't have to hanker. Krishna will giving to you. If it is that type of devotees, they will sincere, not wasting anything, Krishna will give you everything. Just do by bhakti. By bhakti, you can purchase Krishna. Not by money and other thing you can purchase Krishna. Therefore, whatever condition you are having, just give it to Krishna. Krishna knows what we are doing and what is our intentions. Whatever you are having, money, property, bank balance, everything, just utilize for Krishna's service. Then Krishna will give it to you many more. Which is you not able to carry the two hands, that much will give it to you. One time I went to Srirangam. I was reading books, searching books. There is no English books is available. I told Rupiya, everything Tamil books, so no English books is there. Finally gave on story books. In the story books, there is mentions Bhakti, Jnana and Vairaga. Prabhupada written that story. So I was reading the books. Middle of the story, there is mentioning Srila Prabhupada that If spiritual master pleased with the disciple, he can give back whole Vaikuntha planet the disciple hand, and that disciple can enjoy with the Vaikuntha planet. So Guru can give everything, willing you are capable to accept. That is the things. Willing to you are capable to accept. If you are not capable to accept, then Guru will never give it to you. Guru know what you are doing it. Because as Paramatma sitting in your heart, what are you doing it? He knows how much you are engaged. Service of Krishna. Guru knows and Krishna knows. Because Guru is Sevak Bhagavan. যদ্যপি হয় আমার গুরু চৈতন্যের দাস ততপি জানি কৃষ্ণের প্রকাশ. Guru Krishna not much difference, but also difference. What Krishna knows about you, same way Guru knows about you. Though Guru not present here, but he present here. He knows what we are doing it. He knows very well. You can cheat many people, but you cannot cheat Guru. That is not possible for you. You can cheat people, many people you can cheat, but difficult to cheat Guru. Therefore, you should not neglect for your sadhana or chanting or doing devotional service. Whatever condition you are having, do it. Don't try to escape. Then problem for you. Sometimes we are giving excuse. I have this problem, I have that problem, I have a health problem, this thing happened, that thing happened. But do it. Don't try to escape. Do little bit. Because Krishna watching. Not that you are the person doing it. Ultimately Krishna doing it for you. You are just instrument to do that. Just like when the battle, Arjuna and fighting, he is saying that how can I fight? Where my Guru is there, Pitamaha is there, everybody is there, Kipacharya is there, Kulu Guru is there, everybody is present, my brothers all present, how can I fight with them? I don't fight. Then what Krishna told? Whether you fight or don't fight, I already killed them. We just instrument to fight for that. And we get the credit. Ultimately, I did everything. You don't have to do that. Those people came here, nobody will go back from here. So, you do sake of me. Just do it. Then you will get the credit. So, ultimately, Krishna doing everything. He not require for you. He doesn't want you also. But we need Krishna, otherwise we have to go back to Krishna. He doesn't want. So since we are serving him, that's why he is giving mercy. That's why he came as a Vigraha form. Small deities. Because he is so big, we cannot dress him. We cannot reach to him also. That's why he came as a so small Vigraha he came. We are able to dress him, offering to him, puja to him, archana can done to him. Then you will get mercy from him. Otherwise, what will happen to us if you don't do that? We will be one of the materialistic people in the material world. Now you are serving Krishna, so many people knows you. And material people, how many people know you? Unless you become famous persons. Unless you become famous, somehow or other, whether good name or bad name. You become famous, then your name will be spread. Otherwise, no question of spreading. Even though uneducated people who are serving to Guru and Krishna, other people are giving respect to him. Though he don't have any knowledge, but he knows Krishna. That's why people are giving respect to him. Not only know Krishna, serving Krishna. So people, they sing within this heart, sing Krishna form. Just like our devotees, wearing kabi cloth, goes in the road, they'll say that, oh, Hare Krishna people, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. They're not saying any other persons. But Shiva people, Ayappa people going, nobody is saying that this Ayappa people. Nobody say this is these people. But ISKCON people goes means they'll say the Hare Krishna people. Because they sing as for their dress and surrendering mood, the people mind will change. When they see the devotees, the people mind will automatically change, purify. Darshane pavitra karo, yehi tumhar gun. By seeing the devotees, full mind will change, heart will become pure. All anartha will go away. Seeing the pure devotee of the Lord. So there is a devotees category. Kanishtoadhikari, Madhyamadhikari and Uttamadhikari. The level of Uttamadhikari. You have to see what level you came and which level you are worshipping. That way you judge yourself. And how much you are doing it, do little more. Than that, don't do little bit. One day Guru Maharaj giving darshan in Mayapur, long years back, that time not came to South India. And one devotee asked questions, how I can please spiritual master happy, which way? How will way the spiritual master more happy? That time Guru Maharaj told, if disciple taken more and more responsibility, and Guru keep on giving more responsibility, and he continue to do the responsibility, successful is coming, seeing that spiritual master will become more pleased. Even though he has so much difficulty, even though he has so much problem, even though he find more maintain the service which Guru has given, but not neglecting, continue to do that, seeing that Guru will become more pleased. So therefore, you have to take it more responsibility for Guru. Sake of Guru, just take it and continue to do that devotional service. Then life will be successful. And one Guru please means Krishna please. Krishna please means your feet to go back to Vaikuntha Loka. Hare Krishna, Jai Shri Prabhupada ki.
When we are doing devotional service, and sometimes we feel that it is a routine. It will be a routine. So what should be the mode we should develop when we do the service? Like Krishna has given me this power because of I am eligible to fit, so I give it like that. What should be the mode?
No, I am not getting fully. I am not getting what you are saying.
No, when we are doing devotional service.
Okay.
After some time we feel that it is a routine.
Okay.
So what should be the mode we should have so that we can continuously enthusiastic with service? The Sunday will be saying, I fit, so Krishna has given me service. Or I got this because of mercy of the other Vaishnava. So what should the mode?
Now, when you are doing devotional service continuously same thing, you should must know this is not my service, belong to Krishna's service. The mood not there. Mood is not there. Just like I am washing Jagannath towel. You should think this Jagannath towel I am washing. Though every day you are washing Jagannath towel, you should think that this is not my towel. When you are doing service in the altar, you should know this is not my room. So you should not talk loudly. You should talk softly. And you suppose in a temple hall, when you are here, somebody talking or making heavy noise, tell them, no, please keep quiet. We are not telling them. But suppose Somebody come and Guru Maharaj is present. That time is like, hey, shh, don't do that. Guru Maharaj is here. Guru Maharaj is here. Don't make noise. Why that time you are feeling? And when Jagannath is present, why not feel? You are also devotee of the Lord. But you are sitting and watching. But you are not telling. That means you don't have love with the Lord. You don't have. That's why it is the same conditions. When you have love, then it will work. But you are not doing it. Many people are seeing, devotees standing, watching, but they don't know what to say. It's not my job. It is not my job. That's why it is happening. But when Guru Maharaj is present, immediately he will go and tell. Though it's not job, though it's not his service, but he will go and say, Guru Maharaj is here, don't make noise. But Jagannath is here, Jagannath is more bigger than Guru Maharaj. That not seeing. That not seeing. So therefore, you should think, he is present here. And he is not my service. Which I am doing it is belong to him. It's not my personal. So keep your mind in that category. Then mind will not go from that place and you will focus the devotional service. Service will be successful. Otherwise, you doing it, your routine, mind will be somewhere else. I told you already, when you are doing devotional service, Mahadev will take your mind. So same thing. I already explained. So you cannot control your mind. Mahadev will control your mind. Mahadev will control. He knows how, because he gave your body. So she knows how to control. Just like a mother. Mother knows how to control the baby. Like that, Durga knows how to control your mind. So take away your mind. If you have little diverse your mind from which is you are doing it. Focus in that. Meditate in that. Then do it. That will be able to success. Otherwise, mind will be same conditions. Go somewhere else. So therefore, whatever you are doing it, focus in that. Whoever it is. When you are doing it, do focus, meditate. Some of the service are observing and doing it. And other service doing for the deity purpose, they are not. Why? That is the things. So okay? Hare Krishna. Jai Srila Prabhupada ki, Guru Maharaj ki, Gaur Premanande.